Now I will share to you my created database. I will show you also on how to use and what is the purpose of this database. Okay, let's start. This is load station database. This is the main form, the transaction form. I have already encoded some data. So this is the transaction ID, data, then cash you receive from the customer. An example, if you're a regular customer, so instead of cash you can also modify this one, or let's consider that this is the credit limit, this one. Now I will show you how to add the customer, since I already added but you don't know how I added that one. So first you must go to view customer data, click this one, and now this is the customer main menu, which is showing here statement of account by customer, which is we have already a customer record or statement of account, load amount 13, and he could show 220. So we have a balance of 1080, and this is our customer list. You can modify the entries here. Example, if I will put so and close, automatically system will ask you either you need to save or not. So as of now we'll choose yes. So all records are updated. So each customer have specific data number. Example, if you have another data number, not only this 1148, so you can add another number. Example, this one, just click this one, new data. Here I will put example 19155114409. This is your second data. Description, data 2, let's say data 2, then network, let's see smart, because I already put load. Add customer, you should choose the specific customer ID. Example is what? ID 1. So I will choose 1. Then close this form, and again it will ask you if you will save this one. Okay, yes. Look what happen if I click yes here, it will add it into your account. Look, this is your data, and you can add also another customer. Of course, self-explanatory, you can type whatever the data of your customer. So to make this short, I need you to make your own or add customer using this database. Then you can also search the data. Instead of customer, you can write here, example, customer ID, data. Then you can example description, just to show you. You can type normal, this one. If abnormal, of course you cannot find that one, it's not showing here. I put this list because sometimes it is difficult for you to find. It's too much data here, or list. So I prefer to use this search box in order to make you easy to find customer. So here it. Then go to home. To come back to our main transaction form, just click this home, and now This is our main form. So let's say we'll process another cost. Example, this one is only 1,800. Let's say this specific customer want to add another load. So just select this one, reload, and one data number, example 4408. This is 1,300. Let's say we'll add for this one 4408. Then let's add 200, or let's say 1,000. 1,000. Then today, a day, and look, if you enter this date, automatically this one, it will show you the expiry of this mode of payment or this load. I put temporarily, and you can modify later, 3 months. So look what happened if I hit tab. Look, this is 3 months, and just select this one, automatically it will show the time. And now I will use additional note, then close. Again it will ask you. Look what happened. Here cash is showing 1,300. If I will add this one, yes, no, it will be added, and also the rest it will update again. So now we have 2,000. Let's say we consume 80, so I will deduct this one, the transaction date today, and also the specific number, which is 4408. Then the amount, let's say 380, and consume and close. Look what happened to our balance, and also here. Look, automatically it will add the consume, and automatically also will update the balance. Now I will show you this one, view data list number. This is the list we are created for customer 1, data also. And if you will see also here, in back to the customer data, you can see here automatically update his statement of account, and also you can check also the reports. Just select this one, and now choose open report, because this one you can add our report also here, name of the report and the description, and you can find our report here. Look, this is statement of account, which you can print. You just Ctrl P in order for you to print. As of now, I don't have printer, and you can modify also or save as to PDF. So this is it, our report. This one showing the balance. So this is how to use this database. I will share it to you. I will put the download link of this video description. Thank you, and God bless.